To date, there have been 3 Washington schools, all located on the same parcel of land on Ellis Street as it stretches between Marion and Lincoln Streets. In 1888, a 3-room school was built on the west side of the property near Marion Street. The 3-room school was built at a cost of $6,500, a considerable sum in 1888 and equivalent to $175,000 in 2020. In 1888, this location was considered to be out in the country. However, being so far out in the country may well have saved the school from fires that destroyed much of the town in the early years. The first campus is pictured on the left side of the photo. Within 5 years, the first Washington school was determined to be inadequate to accommodate the growing number of students. Thus, in 1903, a second Washington school was constructed on the same campus. This photo, though badly worn, provides a rare glimpse when both schools coexisted. The second Washington school enjoyed central heating and was considered to be one of the finest in the valley at the time. The new 8-room school was built for $13,000 and would serve the needs of the district until 1938, when construction began on the current Washington school. Construction of the current campus began in 1938 and was completed in 1940. The current campus was funded using Great Depression-era programs aimed at creating jobs, and not because any structural defect in the old brick school. Please enjoy these photos of a great school from a bygone era.